Hi, my name is Karina Chang and I'm 13 years old. I've been learning Scratch for 2 years and my project name is from One Science Chapter 2.1 Comparison between Animal Cells and Plant Cells. The purpose of this project is to explore and understand the fundamental differences and similarities between these two types of cells. I work it out or solve the difficult by using trusted platforms like educational instruction websites. If I have more time, I will provide a comprehensive understanding of animal cells and plant cells, which will benefit everyone. This project will teach about this chapter 2.1, comparison between animal cells and plant cells, and will give some quizzes at the end. So it will teach about this chapter, this section of the chapter, and it will give some quizzes. Okay, the first question is, does animal cell have chloroplast? If you answer no, then you are correct. Okay, the second question, can the cell membrane control the flow out of materials in and out of the cell? If you answer yes, then you are correct. So this basically asks about what it taught just now, and if you answer the wrong question, the wrong answer, it will just like ask you to try again. So you just click the right answer, and it will appear on the next question. And that's all. Thank you so much.